Hey, my friend, fellow traders, Will here over to XAUUSD.com. First of all, welcome to the video. So Easter's over, and we're coming into the second quarter of, or already in a couple of weeks, but the second trading quarter of 2020. So this is when the markets start to heat up from now till the summer. So this video is this week's free trading signal. I'm saying you've had a pretty couple of slow weeks the past 2 weeks. Last week, very unlucky with some of our trades. This week we've taken kind of new approach where I've added a manual entry option into our signal service. Okay, so first off, I'm going to hide my face. If you're new to the channel, I want to stay up to date with my latest trading videos, my weekly trade alerts. Just hit the subscribe button now. If you're not a member of our private Facebook group, you can simply join it now just by either going to Facebook, the FXA's Professional Forex Signal and Educational Group, or if you're in a YouTube channel here, just look in the description area, you'll find a link, or if you're on my website, the top right will direct you, the top right social media icon, Facebook will direct you to the Facebook group. Okay, it's free to join. Okay, so this week's signal is on the Australian dollar Aussie CAD. Okay, and like I said, if you watched my previous video on Friday, or sorry, yesterday, regarding our new manual entry, well, actually this will be okay to enter manually on Monday, based on this divergence signal. Okay, you can look at the reason we're doing this trade now. Okay, so the reason we're doing it is simply because we've got this weekly area here, and you can see price has been rocking, and this here area caused this low. Price is making its way back up towards it, so I'm expecting a reaction here. I thought this was one of my trades last week. It kind of sat around the area all last week, so I'm expecting this to drop this week. Okay, if you don't want to take the divergence signal, which has already happened, I've got my EA programmed, so it'll enter automatically for me the MACD SR indicator, so it's all set. But if you want to enter this trade manually, okay, what I'm looking to enter this at is 0.89. Okay, so I'm looking to sell. So work here. So sell Aussie CAD at 0.895. Okay, stop loss is going to be 100 pips, so stop loss at 0.905 and take profit. We're going to go for a 450 pip take profit at 0.85. Okay, so pause that now, type that in. That is your free signal for the week. If you do choose to take the MACD signal with it, it is an entry straight off the bat on Monday morning. Really like the setup, it's a nice setup, and yeah, one of my favorite for the week. Okay, so that's the signal Aussie CAD. We're coming, as I said, we're coming into the second quarter. This is when the markets start to heat up. So if you're looking to join our service, you've been watching this for a while, now is probably the best time to actually sign up and join our service for the next couple of months. You will see the most beneficial results, especially after the past 2 weeks that are slow. We normally start to kick in for the second quarter. Now the profits start to come in, start to bag a lot of pips. Okay, so looking to join the service, now is the best time by clicking the link below. Any questions, let me know at will@fxace.com. If not, really looking forward to seeing your comments regarding the Aussie CAD trade this week. Hope you make some profits. As always, trade at your own risk, stay disciplined, and I shall see you on the next video. Okay, well over to fxace.com.